So I'm gonna give you a little piece of video before I leave this beautiful place. I'm missing it already. I left the container that I had the fruit tree in the caravan. It's a nice one, so I thought it could be used for something. I'm just gonna record this walk out of here before I go to Lissabon, so I have something nice to watch on my television when I get there. I guess it's really hard to capture the view outside these hills and valleys. It's just beautiful. It really is. Right down here, I guess, a small town. I think that's Santos, if I'm not mistaken. And on the other side I found a little tree nurserying place, like a big farm that sells all kinds of plants and some machinery and tools. That could come in handy, I guess. I hope you're like friendly with this guy, not like at home with my pig farmers destroying the land. Would be nice if we could help each other instead. All kinds of old wells and small ruins of, I don't know, small sheep huts and but mostly olives and wild growth, shrubs, bushes. I would love to stay here to take some more pictures and do some more film, or a little more laid back and easy. I have to say we're in a bit of a hurry to get the car back to Lissabon in time. But I just had to plant some trees before going. Fill this place just one more time. Now the rain is really starting to come down. But it's funny, like when you don't have small kids with you, it seems like no problem at all. It's actually just a nice cool down. just drove from Fatima, 15 kilometers north from here. Very Catholic place, I must say. Surprised me. But we also went to Figueira da Foz outside with the Atlantic Ocean, and that was so beautiful and a very nice place. People were so nice. People were also nice in Fatima, don't get me wrong, but it was very religious, and I have a kind of hard time understanding this religious societies. But I did went to this pilgrims plaza. I don't remember the name. It was an eerie story about 3 kids spotting ghosts on my birthday even. That was made it eerie for me. The 13th of May. And they died quite a painful death at a young age, making all kind of predicaments and visions they had. The story I wrote about it was intriguing and interesting. Of course also because it happened on my birthday, but it was a very touching story. But the place there didn't move me at all. It was just gold on marble and marble on gold and money on... yeah. It's just, I don't like that. But the place that we stayed was very nice, up in the mountains, very peaceful and quiet. So that was really nice, and we went out every day on excursions to the Grutas of Portugal, very deep cave, and some eco parks with a lot of playgrounds, and so we had a very good time, and we got warm because we were so wet and cold for a long time, also in Lisbon. So it was a nice place to get clothes dry and washed up, and get a nice clean warm bed to sleep in. So now we're fresh again, ready to head on to Lisbon. With the smells and the noise and the tourists, begging circus, the cheats and the thieves, the music and the laughter, the fado, the bacalhau. It's nice there, just not too long. Then I need to get out. This time we're gonna stay not on San Rua Antonio Pedro, because we could not get the place, but we're gonna stay on Go Hostel Lisboa, which seems like a huge backpacker hotel. It also has kitchen stuff where we can make our own food, which is key for us. Now I think I see the car. I'm gonna take one last look out of this olive grove, the lane of Santarém. I love it here, man. I'm definitely gonna come back and try and make this place a nice community, a nice meeting place for all kinds of people wanting to enjoy this land and dance and make fires and make music, sing and laugh, indulge in all kinds of fruit and love for the earth and each other. I think this life is meant to be enjoyed. So people do that in all kinds of different ways, but I found out for me that I need dirt on my fingernails, I need fire, I need water, fresh air, fresh fish, love and music. That's the kind of stuff I need. That's why we could not come here in car. But it's a nice walk. Thank you, Miguel and Sylvia, for being so open, kind. Thanks to Sylvia for meeting us in Lisbon on the 26th. I'm looking very much forward to that. Just to say hi and... Hi Elmon!
Filmer du?
Ja?
Okay.
Hej, det er godt?
Ja.
Det var godt.
Jeg hører lidt musik.
Hører lidt musik?
Ja.
Nå, fedt.
Kunne du godt høre den musik? Hvad? Kunne du godt høre den musik fra
Ja.
hele vejen der?
Ja.